Hello friends, today we have come up with the top 10 movies of Hollywood of 2019 and this is the part 1 of this series with much more movies in the pipeline. So stay tuned and now let's get on to the list. Our first movie is Hustlers. In this movie, Destiny is the dancer at the club who is struggling to make her ends meet, whereas Ramona is the top earner in the club. One day, Destiny strikes conversation with Ramona and Ramona decides to mentor her and deep friendship blossoms between the two. But the 2008 financial crisis leaves them jobless and they lose the touch. Few years down the line, Destiny once again meets up with Ramona and Ramona has a new hustle where she takes Destiny into her hustle. And then their friendship deepens. But due to some situations and Ramona's decision, Destiny once again falls apart with Ramona. Find out what happened by watching the movie through their amazing performances.
Our next movie is 1917. The movie is set in northern France during the World War I in 1917. As the movie opens up, two young British soldiers are given a task of delivering an urgent message to the British troops on the other side. This message is critical to save the lives of thousands of British soldiers. The rest of the movie captures the odds and obstacles in the journey of these young soldiers. Will they be able to deliver the message? Watch the movie. Magnificent cinematography and edge of your seat segments will keep you engaged. If you are a fan of war movies, the movie is a must watch.
Our next movie is The Irishman. In this movie, the old Frank Sheeran is recounting his past. How, from being a truck driver, he went on to become a top hitman and also worked under the powerful teamster of that time, Hoffa. However, the circumstances forces him to be involved in the disappearances of Hoffa and he had to face its consequences. This is the best gangster movie which is gloomy, dark and gives the insight into the links of politics, unions and organized crime. And as far as the acting is concerned, you know by its amazing cast and director.
Our next movie is Dark Waters, which is based on a real incident. It is a story of a corporate defense lawyer who uncovers the dark secret of a chemical manufacturing corporation. On request of a farmer, the lawyer investigates into the unexplained deaths in West Virginia. Based on the investigation, he finds that the chemicals which are dumped by the factory causes cancer and birth defects. While trying to expose the truth, he finds himself risking his future, his family and his own life. Will he be able to overcome these obstacles? Is the justice delivered to the affected population? Watch the movie.
Our next movie is Parasite, an Oscar-winning tragic drama. In this movie, Kim's family is poor and they live in semi-basement. However, Kim's son, Ki-woo, manages to find the job as English tutor to the Park's daughter, who is a very wealthy man. Ki-woo, by using devious methods, gets his entire family to be working under Park's under disguise. However, this newfound happiness doesn't last long. A tragedy changes all of it. So what was the tragedy and what made the tragedy to take place? Find out by watching the movie.
Our next movie is Marriage Story. This is a movie around the couple Charlie and Nicole who are living in the New York City. Charlie is a theatre director and Nicole is a film actress. The couple is facing troubles in their marital life. Then Nicole decides to leave for Los Angeles along with her son Henry. Nicole applies for divorce also. The rest of the movie showcases the struggles and the pains of going through divorce and how the process can turn out to be bitter for both the parties. It also shows their attempts to work things out and also depicts the hard times that the kid has to go through. So is there any chance of reconciliation? Watch the movie to know the answer.
Our next movie is Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. This is the period movie set in 1960s. In this movie, Rick Doughton is the waning actor who is often seen in the company of his friend and stunt double Cliff. Rick is worried about his future. One day, the new neighbor moves in, who is none other than Sharon Tate and her husband Roman Polanski. Will the new neighbor change Rick's future or what's in store? Find out by watching the movie. This movie is the director's vote to the golden age of Hollywood and the acting by the trio is just outstanding.
Our next movie is Ford vs Ferrari, based on a true story of battle between two corporations. In 1963, Henry Ford II decides to purchase Ferrari as a means to boost their car sales by participating in 24 hours of the Le Mans. So he proposes a deal to buy Ferrari. but the deal gets rejected and he was insulted. Furious Ford orders his racing division to build a car to defeat Ferrari at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. He hires Carroll Shelby, a famous engineer. Shelby takes the help of Ken Miles, a hot-tempered British racer. Will the duo succeed in defeating Ferrari in the most prestigious race? Watch the movie.
Our next movie is Avengers Endgame. This movie needs no introduction. This is the most anticipated movie of 2019 and also the highest grossing movie of all time. After the devastating effect of the Avengers Infinity War, the remaining allies and Avengers make a team to restore back the order to the universe. Guys, don't forget to watch this movie to get the experience, and this is also an emotional farewell as this is the last movie in the franchise of the Avengers and it wouldn't disappoint you a bit. Gonna miss it, right?
Our last movie is Joker, around a character of Arthur Fleck. He is a clown and aspires to become a stand-up comedian. He suffers from a medical disorder which causes him to laugh at uncomfortable times. He is subjected to humiliation and unwarranted attacks. He gets fired from his job after his gun falls out of his pocket while entertaining at a children's hospital. Will Arthur fulfill his dream of becoming a stand-up comedian? Check out the movie. The movie highlights on mental health issues and class conflicts.
Guys, do watch these movies and enjoy. For further more updates, hit the red bell icon and do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.